I am so terrified. Good morning. Let's go to the gym. Workout done. Already 7:20 in the morning. Workout is done. Now, it's finally time to take a shower. Hindi ko alam kung formal ba sila doon or semi-formal. So, hindi na muna ako mag-blazer. I'll just keep it simple. Time check. It's already 8:20 in the morning. So, tara, kumain na tayo. Breakfast time. This is my breakfast. It's baked crumpets. Meal prep ko to no isang araw. And maple syrup. I am so terrified. Sakit ng dibdib ko. Kabado talaga ako as in. Hindi ko alam bakit. I am done with work and I'm finally home. Whew. Actually, nakakaba. Pero okay naman ako. Okay naman yung mga kasama ko. They're all so friendly. And they're aware sa experience ko. They know na wala akong experience sa finance. So they're taking it easy. Kaya, everything went well. And I'm here at home. I'm so hungry.